Fraud government. Obaseki fraud government. Governor Godwin Obaseki of Edo State fraud government. Make una share this breaking news. They wanted to divert us. Obaseki team, they wanted to play us. I came out a few minutes ago, or a few hours ago. First of all, it's about 9:53 a.m. in the morning here in Dallas, Texas, United States. Monday, December 30th, 2019. This is Mega Comrade Investigator Officer Clement Ranomigo Edegbe, the open leader of People Freedom Movement worldwide, Commander-in-Chief of the Defenseless, the Tiger and the Lion Command, the Akataka One of the Universe, the Enagbe of Orion land, the king of the innocent poor citizen and the king of the social media, Akataka, the owner of the Poor Foundation Mobilization Incorporated, Iga inyawe. Ara sive yu egbere. Oyewe ni. Obaseki imatamawe. Ivieto ni buwo. Iyamu warere gbuto. Ivieto ni buno wanyeo. Iyamu yarere gbuto. Eriri ya. Omagba. Ni wabuwo. Nike tamuwa. Obaseki is a fraud government. Wamayamaji. They bring a story. They say 2 million. Yeah, most as a room. Mama go worst is only. Little that we know that they use that one to bamboozle us is worse than that. Mega comrade is a whistleblower. Yeah, he gonna pay. He blow it good. Make I show na phone. May I show na phone. I get children all over the world. PFM is the most powerful movement that have ever created, a Nigerian citizen ever created in America in the history of mankind. One of the most dogged, fearless, anti-fraud, anti-corruption, anti-illegal migration, anti-human trafficking movement in the globe. Today, when we heard information about Obaseki, #1 favorite commissioner for art, culture, and diaspora affairs, Honorable Osaze Osevige Ero, when we heard that they cut him with some money, millions of dollars, I knew there was a story that attached to it. I said, let us blow it. When we blow it, the real story will come out, because they don't want to speak. As we blow that one, they were happy. They say, if na money matter, we know how to suffer. They no say mega comrade. My second headquarter na Italy day. Akataka. Mona clap for me. Wakbaba me. Make una clap for me. Now so my children. Now they pick up phone say, Daddy. Baby, so what colleague, but no way do ala Obaseki. Ukpopo ala we. Where itama we. You see, as you can't disgrace Edo State. You see, as Obaseki administration, wuru fraud government can't disgrace us. Una say Edo people, as they suffer, they manage come off for road. They come off for Benin. You take Commissioner Gwandu, they chase them away. They go Libya, they reach Italy. Obaseki not let the rest. Obaseki can't they send his commissioners, make it go, they recruit them for Italy. Obaseki administration. He can't they send Edo people, they recruit them because he might be or marry lo balomo year. He no know the pain what a mother go through to deliver. Here Betty. They don't know. Yeah, my head. That's all. Hanoroa. Are you who you know? Obaseki, Governor Godwin Obaseki. I can't see they go Italy. I say, what did these people they do for Italy? I know say we Isan. Now shit, they pursue shit for us. Isan also as some way. Make una share this video. Make una share am. I want download the whole world. Waiting my ear here. He big pass waiting you think. Waiting affect broadcast. Obaseki cabinet. Now so they sit down and they watch me. As a day and see them. Here. Ravi guru comment. Uwakba. Uwakba. Itamwa. Why have you mona lad have Libya? We can go help these children for Libya. Mona help these children for Bamako. Una say na lie. Itamuwa. Let me say, Inyo. All Inye Obama say, Inye Holo Wana. Inye Hole Guasa Gualuko Wana. Inye Obama say. Iga you was a the social media. Mimi. 100 people come at him who die. Be. You what? Social email. You don't see me. God bless America, sweet home, sweet home. God bless America, sweet home, sweet home. I love this country so much. God bless America. God bless America. God bless America. Hey, akataka, abomination. Oh, Baseki, what was it? You oh, Baseki, now you turn a to state to fraud. When I first tell you, I say they want turn Osadebe Avenue to fraud star office. When I not believe them. Let's go. Let's go. People that are in Italy, you can hear this story. Me, I be whistleblower. Any information they give me, boom, I will blow her out. It's left for you to come and tell me how it happened. Hold on. Somebody is calling me. Let me quickly answer this call. Hold on. Hey, earpiece, ready one. Hey, imagine home. Hello? Mama. Oh, Coco. Agwaye, ni mo ye speaker for her. Eh, la fi waye. Hey, Jimmy. Eh, no, the information we from UK, go. Gamwe ye speaker for no go, gamwe yo mudia. Mudia mama, egbe ya mo reme, mudia. Go pa yo. Mudia ni pa yo. Mudia. Hello, mudia. Hello ni na we. Hello wale ana we. Ya na we mama. Go pa yo ifa la ya gbe. Go pa yo. Mudia. Ya kama ba. Mudia. Efwe. Mudia o. We go mudia. E we ka. I pa go this kana o. Mama, tia we regbe. Wọ́n dọ́nà yọ with you. Me fa la ya gbe. E o tu etu. Gunwe. Iye rano mi go gbe mu egbe. Ko je e mo ma nwe na now. Hello. Mama di mama.
Mama were lafi.
Be ware la we den we ya me yo we shoni koto no we la dia.
Mama were lafi. Me ba me de me ti me wa on na.
We shoni koto. Ge ma mi ti fun.
Me go we fo me lo. Pana mo te la yen gbe.
Go here o.
Igo nya ma mi ya do lupo yi. We go to manager the lupa yi. We go to manager just sponsor at least 10 people from university. And ya mo na gidi pili. Obiero. If you chief do wa. If you chief ya do wa chief. Chief the palace.
Owie chief ero no abi owiero keka no. Unu ero redo me wero se ano redo ine. Osaze ma bi oye. Ma dara laye. Ma bi oye. Ma dara laye. Ma bi oye. Iwie. Uri ate bae mama. Iwe uri ate bae. La wo.
200 with the M. 2 million dollars.
Mama, erima obusoni osoni information in my home osoni.
France na itawe 2 million. We might go better.
E France we go ni na egun itamu wekelo ye na. Eri France. Ero France, we France ya na mo but France, wekelo ye na. Ya ta mudia ni ari epic ide o. Wa agun gwi agbongbon ide. Wa agun.
Yes, ya do wa o. Yes. rien et si tu es pas là, tu viens là, la politicien, il y a un diadoa. Il y a un diadoa. Maman, c'est le Mario. Razero, Agidi Bui, pas la yagbe. Avec petit Togo, il y a des Jogwe.
Omaka Guayona. Omaka Guayona. Ero, Osaze.
Il va bien chiffre, non?
Il est bien chiffre,
ok, on vient chiffre, donc, on vient d'aller chiffre, il est quoi?
Oh,
ok, no way, you see.
Oye Chifinoa. Oye Chifinoa.
Yes.
Oh, Coco. Oye Chifowa, yon wa ki orion base mwen yiwe be yana nana. Yemi. Omona reke no dole do yi.
Avec Asoro na yo pe so kon bara le ya. E ya na kara kara de yo. Wa ti mo fe lo la de ma bi afoji yan ru. O ti yan ya dole ji.
Oji we awi na we London. Gbokhani ma me be ya kan we London.
O ka je ne.
Oni meru ja we we la. We awi na we Gbokhani ma be what tunyi me ya we London. What out ya na we.
Ya. So don ya e. On ya e sana.
Wagera lo bigo o sa fe ko o fe la ya kule wagere la we lo wu go ba wu azolo
o to le ma o se mo do lo si to yi o to de ke na jo si to e to de re ni je wu ta na ba no bi agbo ni ta na ba wu na no na bi ai so
agborisa dami yawo mama
If go to share the central hospital, especially hospital, or ya gba ogun yen. Hospital omo jo ko te ya dology.
We beta.
Ogun je ko gba ti ho.
Oh, mama on say ira agwan you we beta di yo no hin. Di yo no hin.
Ijo gbonisan.
Wo ye.
Igu jo gbonisan, igo hospital ni je na ga emeson.
Okay.
The central hospital. The Rona specialist hospital.
Mata.
So, them they go we are not in the hospital. Oh, the hospital na tie ka mu na mana. You hospital na ya about here. If we go mana. That was very good. Don't get me wrong.
Iye wa ma.
That was very good. I don't know we just no just pop ni just.
O ma si obi omodan.
We just na bia ya di mu na. Who done it? You go Ghana.
Who done Oborisan why wa ti e?
We you buy what you guys go say. I was born where.
Lare mama.
Traffic control. Control the traffic in Benin. On your 100,000 job not promise to be a Utah. They know what? If you go, Kabaka, Benin people. People when you read what go now.
Mama, Oborisan na aye dey tie governor Oborisan why we na wa tie ya. Lugwa we yare la bete we mo pa hon we have ya botayo akara.
Where ya information dey ya ka mo gbe pe wa te mata. Ile sama we yan. Ile ko wa o what do like yan. Wa mo la dan ni. La iko ni ai. E na we iko ni ai. Iko ni amu. Ala na o se lu ye yin mo la dey do straight ni ye kin aye we.
Mama, gatore we have ya ere Oborisan orosa de be avelu. Eko.
Ya. Don't ai.
But ayo we kori o.
I want to you correct me o pa o. E ba ni ta jian ni ka fa gbe arwe pa o ga o gi o ba la mi be go. Ire ise kure. Ire o wa e, ire aya gogo e. Me we me lati fena ya kan mi kwa ni die do. Ogwani, always a guru. Ogwani ma always a guru. I can't ya. Ogwani ma never follow always a guru. Oga River, that you know, Obiopa or Nyawani. So, I'm going to correct information.
Okay.
ECPA one, but at least you can say all your web by or why you go your fire, always a good.
Okay.
So, why one information, what you have one you go by a boy.
Okay.
One year again, in fact, it's a good any that you know, I know.
Okay. Waona obie chief of Guana, era chief no mono Guana, o wa hegwa, Guahan.
So,
Mama, o wa pa we lare e mo gborisana, wa we won e.
I'm here to call, but
Where tameru we, eruwe no we chief, where tame ya we gwa ro gborisano.
I'm here to call, but
Wali we chief na we afa kogu wa gwa. We ba we ka we baba. O pe ala wa support ro gborisano we anu we me.
Baba Christian ko be da ki do wa ne ya imeti me ho ti me ne re mo ta imeti no da yan
Okay.
gata mo ma yan
Oh ma.
We na do yan ibe surprise wi yan agbunu ye ni pinu ye wi ya na e wa go mete
Oh ma, off egbe, gate na ru dare. Off egbe. Koyo.
imeti the rota there o
Orwane obi o kan ne mo na mo na wa.
Igualige champion di preban.
Uriwe chape gun. Oh, wa mama. Oh, wese. Wo ya gba waru efa, opa were fata no gedede meba. Oh, fata so naira. Oh, wese o. Kami yedo iyeroge. O ata o lawieze. Lawieze yeroge.
Ife lo gbe.
Iya kami yedo, kama iwe lawieze. Baba yo. Area. My people. Water don't pass Gary. Korokoto. Area. Anywhere that we go. Ameni memu. Basekina ashie. Igiwe sie yena we amu bo ya mo e. Aseti mo e osalobo asia mo sie. Let's go there. Akataka. Area. Today, officially, Governor Godwin Obaseki have ended his fraudulent government in Edo State. President Muhammad Buhari, Baba Buhari, say Buhari, Governor Godwin Obaseki is not only a disgrace to Nigeria, Edo State, it's a disgrace to us men and women in uniform. Not only that, hello. Hello. Laugh. Our hand to oh, okay. Go here. I am my voice. You are. What will you talk here? Do harm well. What will you talk? With me. I tell you about what happened. Why have you Wale? Why would Papa you wear a ballot here? Ibala here. You see how everybody they hide their head. Now only mega combo person make it take your head the carrier. At the carrier they go. But when the better come, make una still remember what is today's date. Today's date is Monday, December 30th, 2019. Not be so. Okay, let's go there. Osaze Edo State is on fire. I want every man and woman to share this video across the whole Nigeria. Edo State Obaseki Commissioner for Art, Culture and Diaspora Affairs, Honorable Osaze Osevige Eru, is in Italian police custody as I speak. It's in a city called Parma. You see it? I analyze to the real city. Obaseki people are shaking now. It's in Parma, or Parma, Parma, Italy. If you are watching from Italy, go to Parma J right now. Osaze or Savigero. Yawamwe Chaco, our Chaco away. Osaze Obaseki Commissioner is in Chaco, police Chaco in Parma, Italy, police custody. Is in jail right now as I speak. I try to call my partner anti-terrorism, counter-terrorism department in Bologna. I called them a few minutes ago. Unfortunately, my friend, the detective, is not on duty. They transferred me to the immigration department. I will show you. You can see it right now. I'm not going to show you the number. I will show you the call log. I know the talker. Police detective, Italian police. You see that? Did you see it? You can see it right there. Did you see that? So I just called Italy police detective, Italian police. You can see it right there. I know the talker. Mega comrade. I know the talker. Wa ya na wa we wa atira mumu wa we wa atira biwe mumu wa mumu ware gana wa mumu do you have one more time out you block wa time out can have you wa yi time out. Brothers and sisters, as we speak, Obaseki, Governor Godwin Obaseki, Commissioner for Art, Culture and Diaspora Affair, Honorable Osaze Osevige Ero, is in Italian jail. Let me tell you what Obaseki have cost in Italy. After Mega Combi went to go and fight for paper, these people, they get paper, they started insulting me. Most of them were now fighting me. I did not know that Obaseki sent Osaze Osevige Ero to go and modernize courtesan, human trafficking. Why he said he's fighting human trafficking, and it was remodeling it and fraud. Little bit more than a few months ago, Obaseki administration sent Osaze Osevige Ero to Italy to go and kill our children. Our children that managed to leave Edo State, they now brought courtesan. Osaze Osevige Ero. He to boy Obaseki back and for his head, make it carry and come Italy. Because they know that Italy was my base. In order to energize courtesan, human trafficking, after ingera ego enafo. Obaseki consent Osaze Osevige Ero. You know, Obaseki administration is a fraudulent government. They involve in credit card fraud. Osaze Osevige Ero have proven me right. So they went to Bologna, even my city, Bologna, Italy. As they arrive in Bologna, wait. Hold on. Everything. Don't not cheer on me, go down. Ogun boy, wa me wa gbon. Wa hori, wa me wa gbon. Man, egbo bi akpora ya gbagbon ju wa bo. Iya ya na wa me wa gbon. Wait. Don't your phone now. No gare here. Oh, okay. Man, no problem. So, my brother, Obas Governor Godwin Obaseki sent his cabinet to Italy to go and reform and re-energize courtesan, fraud, and many other human trafficking and all. As they arrive in Bologna, they sleep in a hotel. Osaze Osevige Ero Obaseki administration, they use fraud, scam. You know that credit card when they go China, when they call, they take and pay for hotel. The person when he do one, me I don't know. Now the whole administration, because they can't use credit card make una see say as shit they pursue shit for us. Really swa is a some way. How can you be in the government? You are a government. Listen. Image maker of Governor Godwin Obaseki administration. Isosaze ero osemenge. They can't pay hotel bills. Accumulate they eat nyafu. They call the chopper nyaga. They call the eater nyaya. Obaseki nyara. As the nyara, they eat nyara. Na Italia say, vai, ciao, buonasera, nyara, Obaseki yaga, Obaseki wuru. Hey, Italiano, you. Amico, you, vai, Italiano. Isi, aki, Itali, grazie, Italian police, Italian polizia. Italian way, here, gawe fraud star. Here no to talk back here. Ori wariga, ori Parma, whoever my kilo. Parma in Italy, Parma, wariga, Okpa louder, origa. More than 100 people they have arrested. More than 100, not below Saro, not below Saseu. More than 100 people. They are cracking them down right now as I'm talking in Italy. The Italian police are raiding everywhere. As I'm speaking, Italian police, God bless Italian police. They are raiding everywhere. Here, why you ask me talk back? Shame not the catch una. Una will see come here now, come see right talk back. Idiot. Palma. You know, see as I name man. Osaze or Sevigero, ide Palma. Whether na French police o, na icon, I don't know. That one, not they talk with me, I don't know. So, let me tell you the offense, the crime, when they say they commit. Wait. Number 1, credit card fraud. Number 2, human trafficking. Number 3, courtesan. Then, that was not enough. I said, maybe it's a lie. And when I conduct my investigation, you know what I saw? Let me read it. Italian Nigerian mafia hit by major police raid. You hear me? This investigation has been going on since July. This one not be say go come. He said Italian police did blow to violent Nigerian mafia in France and they connect with Italy. And Osaze Osewike Ero was Obaseki re-energized court and money laundering director. Percy talk don't say me the kid. They can't re-energize. You see, and they district for Benin. Now they shout talk battle, not be all of them some good. So as Osaze Ero just come, now whether na France police, and they say, c'est fini, monsieur, c'est fini. Toi, allez-y, italien. How they take on to Italian say, bebene, police, you're not worried. As they call Chakora, commissioner. Young baby, I feel I'm moving. Headache don't catch me. Oh, I feel I'm moving. See these people. This morning I never eat. Wait. That's it. I not tell them. Say I go get the truth. Wait. Make I make one call. Make I put my earpiece on. I'm gonna call now right now. As they want download me, Imafidon. If I Imafidon matter for France. Everything we don't do for France, now me go call France police. If I hear pen, if I hear on the name for the amount again, if I every atrocity when you don't commit for fun. Oh, you surprised say I get Italian counter-terrorism. Phone numbers. I dey call every state, every country. Wait, let me make this call. Idiot people, fool. Una tise na amagbana de. Abi una tise na binu na de. Una want go Europe, go the carry money. They go they promote courtesy, human trafficking. One I take cost problem, and all those boys when they nap now, they go judge, they will go home. They'll come, they say, "Pa, we not get work." After all the suffer, one don't suffer for now. After all the suffer, one I suffer for now. Una take get paper. Una get paper finish. Una come they shout up back. You see, as Governor Obaseki can't put una for problem. He won't pick it. He not get one. He not get two. Make I tell you now, anybody but Governor Obaseki, if we elect person, we get children. If they do something, we go hold the children. You don't see one with the narrate to Shomole in children, their body can depend them. Because Shomole get children. As Shomole's son, they say he want run, not be me come and say no. If Pastor Sage is here, Yamu come. We know say he get children. His children they test is here. I go look for their house. I'll say your papa. Obaseki, he not get goat, he not get chicken. Now only cow, now they buy. Cow when they buy, when they catch on. Emila, move! Now only that one Baseki they buy, it they destroy our children. Anything one Baseki, God no God Baseki. If not Pedro now, I go see support. Pedro get picking. Wa mwere regboto. Wani wabu. Eriru wa degboto. Me wa hirowe. Let me call it Ali. Hold on, let me call it Ali right now. Private is gonna be on private. My love, how are you? Hey, Obaseki vive do yegan webo. Yo wo koronigbe. Yo wo koronigbe. Godwin no rekin ase no bi Obaseki. Ogie commissioner Osaze ero no ya vive do yegan o courtesy o human trafficking. Iyamake kore emineri mam chebo yine Obaseki yamake kore o Obaseki ogiobano Obaseki begiri mam chebo ye human trafficking courtesy Osaze osevige ero Obaseki na gie nana wa gwana nyami edo iya wa fiya ya yigan ko sazo osevige iya wa ruwigan na wa gwara ega Italia Pama ewunate Pama enyana wa ruwigan na we ala den ado sayo mono we ala da yo wo ko Obaseki ogbedo Obaseki don't destroy the land. Governor Godwin Obaseki must go. The fraudulent government of Godwin Obaseki must go down. In Jesus' mighty name. In Jesus' mighty name. Ya ilowa. Ya anawa. Ya wanawa. Ya anawa. Ugwe anawa wata. Ume call. Let me call. Obaseki boy. Obaseki. Koyote. Koyo. A private ye. Tell me what happened actually. Narrate it to me again. How does it start? This Osaze Osevige Eru Obaseki administration when police nabbed them. Six months ago, bam. They arrested about 50, 60 boys. Okay. Courtesy. Okay. What other charge? Article 45B. Article 45B. Drug trafficking, credit card fraud, and fraud. Okay. Okay. Even some of your friends that were Mafat was arrested in on this group. Okay, it was a Mafat issue. Okay. 5 a.m. That is how they operate. That is how the FBI operate. Yes. That is how good police operate. Now, where is Osaze or Semigiero? What city again? About what? 4 months ago or 4 years ago? How many years? 2 years or a year ago, he came to Italy. Okay, go ahead. You are the whistleblower. Tell me. Let me blow it to the world, my son. Conference ceremony for him. Fake credit cards. 15,000 euro. AC Hotel Bologna. AC Hotel Bologna. 15,000 euro. Oh, Abasakio. Boy, go here. Go here. Itapo watch list. Hi, Agba. So what airline was he traveling with? He was going through France, right? Amsterdam. Okay, hold on. Let me narrate this. Hold on, Mudia. Hold on. My people, they said Commissioner Aero was traveling to America through Amsterdam for 5 months now. What Aero did and Obaseki did and put people in jail in Italy. So they now put Obaseki Commissioner Aero on Itapo as he was going to America about a week ago, right? About a week ago. Yeah, okay. Hold on, let me finish it. So it was already on Itapo watch list. So they now track Aero, the number for Amsterdam. Sorry, that he don't they expand. Okay, so those people now, you know Itapo, you can't play with Itapo. That is who Mega Company work for. Hey, I work with Itapo. God bless the Itapo. Hakataka. Yes. Okay. So now, Rona is in Italian custody, right? Is in jail, Rabbi? In Italy. Since when now? Since when they have been in jail? Because the story broke today. So, Ero have been in jail, in prison a week plus. Now the year now. Wahona we do. Wahona. A week to 2 weeks. He have been in prison. Oh, for God bless you. Bologna when I did not. Bologna when I blow for the whole world. Now they come. I can put them for problem. Abi? God bless you. Oh my, where's you? Thanks for the information. Where's it? Who am I? When I hear that now. My people, una hear Wait for platform. What you gonna go talk now? How can you defend this? How can you defend this? I tell you now, say I go get the rat if I go get him. He was coming to America. Who know whether na the thing when Ahiri, when Tao Akinyole do remain, he want to finish when carry big money. Not be money the whole land for, not be money. He said the money too small. He said we could talk at £2 million. He said not be even the money. The guy said not be even the money be the problem. He said that money too small now. When the guy they carry, he said they carry money. Now here, those take money. That's what they carry. I will walk here van over social media no bell no me want. Ni va bofia kule nia. Ama ho no sunu na nanya. No way area mo Kemoroko ke get to state or wait 2 million heregbe. What heregbe? He say waiting be 2 million for commissioner. Waiting be £2 million. He say not be even dollars even a pound. He say not be that one they arrest her for. Say me could leave that one. He say now this fraud. Now they nab for fraud. Fraud. He talked the hotel name. You know here when he talked the hotel name. For Bologna, Italy. He talked the hotel name. Wait. Man, see what when he called the hotel. It AC Hotel. AC Hotel in Bologna. Commissioner Hero blow €15,000 on money card when not being home. Now he left innocent children when I go fight for. Make una not call me for anything again. Make una not call me for anything again. You see me, I too clean. I no hurry make a build 10-story building. I know they do anything illegal. You know concern me. Go for profane a fala wagbe. Human trafficking every match boy here commissioner I know where was vehicle. Or when they'll just pack woman. In with Obaseki and them. Obaseki they'll go find one small Ogbonishan where it here now. Ogbonishan Wahomba. Ogbonishan governor. Ogbonishan governor. I will it here. I will it here in everywhere. And a cow governor. Ogbonishan Iwano. Direct. Ogbonishan governor. AC Hotel. My people, AC Hotel. Okay, see person for Bologna. You say AC Hotel for Bologna. Even near where I do my inauguration. PFM inauguration. Nobody mess with the Italian police. And their case is not the finish. And this time, not be person versus person. This one are them and versus Itapo. If na person plus person now, when I go say, like my own now, I thought say, I don't want case. Then they leave my case put. I say, no, it's okay. My own. So, now, but this one, it's also some way. Nonsense. Oyo dafen no yi. Olule ya olile. Obaseki no le. Olule ya olile. Etama onwo shomulo ogbo na. Now Oshomule head go kill you Obaseki. Oshomule head I go kill you. Come re Adamali Oshomule head. Uwe Kabaka. Uwe Shaba. Uwe Sakpawa no mole. Oh mwe fiatina. Oh boy. Wamana yena me do. Wamana they say €2 million too small for Commissioner Aero. And they say it don't work one day for London. And with that. Here no ye computer ya rego. Now Baseki people when they take computer they pack money. Now Governor Baseki they come pack surround body. No wonder. Earlier when I see him, make her come here go talk. Now go they insult me, shut up. Noise maker, but I go come where noise maker day. Noise maker go they drone and they go. Terrorists are batting on me. Oh, gee, when police go in house, when computer, now so they are alive be. They live double life. That is why they know they feel work with me. Because now double. I will come out later. Now later we will talk of washing government. Una see now. Una see what Now, many people now see 4+4. We there for Germany. We are 4+4. Talk about family. Papa, if I love me. Any work, most abwa. Eri owa ya la tapu. Owa allow. Pia. Eri owa ya viere no ituta viere mefati. Ibi meviro. Ni wabuni maworo. Warami to sholo wana sige mefai. Now, waberi mefati ye Italian worldwide listening. You see Obaseki government. Court is in government. Una see. You see Obaseki government, my people. This is the real story. Make I show the picture. Commissioner, it inside prison. It inside prison, Obaseki. See Italian police when they grab them. 5 months ago, one by one. They say now 2 years plus, they don't see them, see their gang. Now it be this. See their gang. With the 5 commissioner, I don't see the police when grab her. Now see them. God bless Italian police. Now see them. Mayari says, oh, he say, okay, I'm about to talk. See the criminal, Obaseki agent. Wanna see them. When they take picture with may I not put all these innocent people. Ware kwe yenye ken iya wa gbe na we do na ya wa ye elele e mefati awe ya wa ya go iran vere na e mefati ni ma wa kule ni makwa wo we eru wa ya ki me ni yibo ge see am see them wa ya gun da ge from, let me tell you, from fame to shame. Instead of a rule to walk the work of fame, he decided to walk the work of shame. What is Obaseki going to tell Muhammad Buhari tomorrow? What is he going to say? You see, people, the commissioner, the good one he drive them come out. The one we know they scam, now he drive them come out. The one way commissioner. Those state commissioners that we are not doing fraud, that we are not into courtesy, that we are not into human trafficking. Obaseki, Governor Obaseki, drive them come out. He can't leave maybe some good one go still there, I don't know. But this commissioner, Osaze, whatever his name, he was the right anyway. One go with even with British passport. I first tell him, he or he finish it and he go to British. They will put on boy. They will release on Beno if he get good lawyer. Maybe they will release on Bay. They will tell him what he go do. Obaseki we fool. Why you wear fire? Show me boy. You matter my way. See us on end this year now. See her. 4+4. See as soon as they end this year. Girl, why am I going to every time we will laugh me? Every time we will laugh. Oriadoa. Obaseki Riadoa. Akpo work bonisa. Bonisa. My akmo everything work bonisa. Where yak bonisa? Where we been up by? Wa me wan go. Where yak that we work been here ma. But akbo way. It dapa na was yo. I wait or one with dapa yo. So this is the truth. AC Hotel who want to do investigations should go to AC Hotel and go to Parma. How many people there here from Italy? Anybody from Parma? If you are from Parma, acknowledge. Anybody from Parma? Shame on Governor Obaseki. My Nigerian people, Governor Obaseki ring, fraud cartel, fraud syndicate have been cracked by the Itapu when one of his number 2 money laundering agent, commissioner, let me read it right. Right here, see. This is the guy right here. Look at him. Obaseki syndicate. Criminal. Look at him. Crime syndicate. Look at them. Wait here, see. Governor Godwin Obaseki of Edo State is not only a disgrace to the Edo people, it's a disgrace to the whole Nigeria. he must resign as the vice chairman of all governors. Governor Godwin Obaseki have succeeded of be running this criminal gang for more than 3 years now. And one of his top leader, Edo State, Obaseki Edo State Commissioner for Art, Culture and Diaspora Affairs, Honorable Osaze Osevije Ero, have been nabbed by the Interpol. And for the past 5 months, they'll be investigating them. And they finally have sufficient evidence. Without sufficient evidence, they will not put your name on Interpol watch list or Interpol arrest list. They are going to be charged with credit card fraud, human trafficking, and courtesan. And this is the human trafficking our father, Lekoson. Imagine what Obaseki, including courtesan. Imagine. You can see why Obaseki is fighting Comrade Adamali Oshomole. These are some of the things Adamali Oshomole do not want to talk. These are some of the things Comrade Oshomole saw that he don't want people to know. Every time he go quiet, they go ask and he go quiet. He don't let Comrade Oshomole tell even Buhari. You see, as Oshomole head, they pursue, then they go. My head, they pursue, then they go. Kabaka head, they pursue, then they go. Osakpoma head, they pursue. Samsi Osage head, they pursue, then they go. Eh? You see, huh? Imagine the only people freedom movement global. Why they want to create another movement? They go create another Edo people's movement. That is to tell you, or where's the normal Yobogukun? Imagine. You see the alliance. I tell you, even before I begin to support them, I don't know their name. So they're supposed to even give me even 10 cow. Very soon I will ask comrade. I bet if you know comrade, make una tell them. I'm waiting for my New Year cow. My grandmother is 111 years. May they not bring Obaseki cow. Woo! Cow governor. Obaseki is a fraud. His government is a fraud government. A human trafficking government. A credit card fraud government. Obaseki government must go down. Come 2020. It must go down. People Freedom Movement investigation breaking news. Edo State Commissioner for Art, Culture and Diaspora Affairs, Honorable Osaze Osevije Ero, is in Italian police custody as we speak. Today's date is Monday, December 30th at about 10:47 a.m. in Dallas, Texas, United States time. Obaseki, #1 favorite commissioner for Art, Culture and Diaspora Affairs, have been named by the Interpol. Charges against them and a syndicate in diaspora. More than 50 to 60 gang, Obaseki gang, are in Italian and France police custody. Credit card fraud, human trafficking and courtesan. We ever call on Governor Obaseki to come out and tell us what he knows about it. He should come out and be open to the good people of Edo State. Or else Obaseki should resign and hand over power to Shaibu. We do not want Edo State name to be labeled as a fraud state. Obaseki now is destroying the image of Edo people in abroad. This is not what the innocent people cause now. This is Commissioner Obaseki people. Spending people credit card, lavishing 15,000 euro in food. They even said 2 million pounds is too small for him to carry. You can imagine that. I do not want this video to be too long. May the Lord Almighty bless Mega Comrade And God bless the good people of Edo State. And may the Lord Almighty bless the Italian people. And God bless America. I want to wish everyone Happy New Year in advance. People Freedom Movement have done what no other movement can do for the rest of their life. We have done our best. I am not a perfect man, but I want you to know I am the most fearless mega comrade, rugged mega comrade that have ever come out and speak in the history of mankind. And I need your prayer. I'll be getting a serious attack, spiritual attack, witchcraft attack, physical attack, financial attack, and otherwise. But I thank God Almighty. I thank my miraculous red Bible. I thank the good people of America. I thank my Father in heaven who has been protecting me. I need your prayer more than anything. Lord Almighty, come and bless the good people of the United States. And may the Lord Almighty continue to bless the men and women in uniform. Those that are fighting for the right I'm enjoying today, for the freedom that I'm enjoying today. And may the Lord Almighty continue to bless all the men and women in uniform family. In Jesus' mighty name. And God bless Nigeria. This is the first time I have come out on New Year Day. And may the Lord Almighty bless every man and woman of Edo State who have come out to speak the truth. In Jesus' mighty name. That being said, Mega Comrade will see you in few hours on my normal program. I want you all to share this video. God bless you all. Honoré Yekoriomo, honoré do. I went out here, a block by Yemen politics. So, anyone, why share video now? Terrorist abato baza la de wakama ni antebi ni ya God bless you. I love you. Obaseki ogbedogbe ogbedotuyo ogbedogbe odamegbe eh igedofo ni France wa mu na wa mu nawe mu Holland amai honi wa ma ni tara wa wo yipo gun o Mama Heli, God bless you. Where say you bonu gun o where say 5,000 to the day, 5,000 to me, 5,000 to my son. I mean 10,000 to me. God bless you. 10,000 naira. Where say thank you for remembering me. Those that remember me on this New Year season, God Almighty will remember you in Jesus' mighty name. Where say? Okay, I say pray. All right. God bless you. God bless everyone. Saze, Osebigero. Oma wa mo ira ikbo eyan mo re. Ikbo eyan mo re. See you all later.